Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the motor stator in your LG washer, you will need an impact driver or ratchet, 17mm socket, 10mm socket, blue thread lock, channel lock pliers, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer and turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the water supply lines. Be prepared for water to spill. Unthread the 4 screws securing the rear cover. Push the cover up and pull out to remove. Use the ratchet or impact driver to loosen and remove the mounting bolt and washer. Pull the rotor off the tub shaft. This may be difficult. Unthread the screw securing the stator wire bracket. Remove the 3 bolts securing the stator and pull the stator off of the tub. Unplug the wire harness. To install the new motor stator, plug in the harness. Position the stator on the tub and secure it with the 3 bolts. Secure the wire bracket with the screw. Align the rotor on the tub shaft. Apply blue thread locking fluid to the rotor bolt and insert the bolt and washer, then tighten. Slide the rear cover into position. Rethread the 4 screws. Rethread the water supply lines over the hot and cold inlets. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply. Plug the power cord back in. And your washer should be ready for use.